Well, a very good afternoon. Welcome to the Lotus Sports Club here in Lusaka, Zambia. We've got a big clash coming between the Indian Royals and the Pakistan Panthers. Oh, a little bit of movement, shape away. That's very, very good from Anurit Singh, who started off. Now he's lashed onto that one. Taking him on, that's in the slot, and has put it away for the first boundary for Pakistan. Down the wicket, he doesn't quite nail it, but he finds the thick outside edge and it races away to the boundary. The intentions are pretty clear from the Pakistan skipper, Imran Nazir. There he goes, way over the top. And it's gone into the crowd. What a strike that is from Imran Nazir. 6 of the best. Right, that's going to land in the hands of a fielder. As I was mentioning, Yasir Butt not looking too comfortable. Try to hit it over the top and hold out in the deep. That's a good catch taken.
And he had to turn, run back. Didn't go anywhere. Height was there, no distance on the shot. But still it had enough legs to reach that. But what a comfortable catch by Naman Oza. Who is a wicket keeper, by the way?
Just swiveling away and tucking it nicely using the pace of the ball. He's gone for 4 runs. Some relief. This time round, he's really got that length he's been searching for. He waited, it was in the slot, and he hit it away right through the line for 4 runs.
Oh, that's a good shot, that. Eventually Imran Nazir getting hold of it. Not really getting hold of it, but getting a boundary. That's the most important thing, because this is crucial. This is the last over before the power plays end.
There he goes. This time he latches on. This time he's gone big. Finishes on a high. The Pakistan camp truly excited with that shot.
Well, again, plenty of room, plenty of time. Bad bowling by Subodh Bhatti here. He's got...
That line right through the line, out of the screws and into the crowd, into the forest. The 6 of the best to finish off over number 9 from Imran Nazir. He goes once again. It's high up in the air and then just bouncing in front. Not the most controlled shot, but 4 nevertheless. Runs coming thick and fast here for Pakistan. Imran on 47. Oh, he's been cleaned up with a Yorker. That is a very, very good delivery. He's looking very threatening. Subodh thanks the Almighty and he's done a grand job for his team.
Shabib, and if the wickets would have been held, and Imran Nazir is a danger guy. So this could be the big turning point in this game. This is how he went. Again, Imran Nazir waiting for that short pitch delivery, trying to make room. But the Subodh Bhatti, as I said earlier, was a white ball specialist. Bang in.
New batter, Tawfiq Umar immediately comes in and plays a delightful cover drive. Left-handers always look so elegant playing the cover drive. Short now. That was inviting trouble. It's exactly what it's got. It's been hammered away to the boundary. Oh, ball it wide, but it's headed away over the covers. What a lovely flourish of a couple of boundaries to finish the over.
But this will be a boundary. rare occasion Rishi Dhawan has been straying down the line, and he has been penalized for that this time.
Nicely done. Square driven for 4 runs. He's just turning it on. They're both joining in with the boundaries now, the two batters.
Sri Lanka, Bangladesh also arch rivals. There's a kind of a rivalry between the two nations also.
Yes, there is, and that adds that little bit of a perk and interest in any kind of match, as it does every time India and Pakistan meet. It's another boundary. The runs are coming thick and fast. Hit very hard and very quickly racing away to the boundary. This is super strike. Not often that we've seen Anurit being hit right past him into that long off boundary. Well, it's a very flat trajectory. What a flat or not, that's been, wow, put away into the trees. Way he goes right down the line. It's going to go over the top. Another maximum. Really turning it on. Just wide enough for him to try and get a bat to it. He does manage, and that's the end of it. That is a strike. He's really worked out very, very nicely how to get Taufiq Omar's wicket. Taufiq's wicket. Very crucial breakthrough. Here it is. Look at him. Just a way he tries to poke at it and straight to that backward point fielder. Good catch taken, but a good innings from Taufiq Omar. Comes to an end. Proper playing days, representing the country. There you go. He's hit it, and it's gone for 4 runs. This time he's found the gap between long off and deep extra cover. Thank you, Suryanshi. Well done there with the fans. Down the wickets, it's high in the air, and it's been gobbled up. Well, he tried to go big, understandably, at this point in time, but it was more the elevation and not the distance, and just the wicket that India needed to stem the flow of runs.
Excellent atmosphere there. You can see the fans are here cheering on the teams. That was up in the air. Well caught there by India. Great fielding. I think whatever the captain has said seems to be working. At this point, Pakistan will try to attack. India needs to take runs anyhow. So having a bye, go the way. Great bowling. That's a wicket. He's bowled him out. Shadab again.
Well. He's just trying to play across the line. Kept that ball wicket to wicket. 2 wickets in a very crucial over. Look at this again. Just across the line. The ball kept a tad low and went and hit timber. That is a great wicket. Good comeback for the Indian bowlers. Rana comes and goes. Say something. Wow, another one. The wickets keep on tumbling, playing across the line, missing it completely, and the stumps are uprooted. It's the important wicket of Yasir Shah.
Special announcement. The driver
There we go.
SKJ1,
Bowling straight.
SKJ1, please, you're blocking somebody. Can you
Yasir Shah gone for 10 after facing 12 balls.
There he goes, swivels round, gets the ball, going big into the crowd. That's what they need. They need that massive score, the maximum. Where's this going? Hassan Raza on strike. He throws his bat, the slow ball, misses it completely. Very, very intelligently done. And a dot ball to finish the innings. 20 overs have been done. It's 167 for 6, the Pakistan Panthers.
Well, the run chase is on. Indian openers at the crease now. Mohammad Irfan, the giant bowler from Pakistan, always a formidable sight for any batsman in the world. I've spoken to many of the Indian batsmen, and in his prime, they found him pretty hard to just gauge and get on top of him. Starting off with a wonderful boundary. First boundary of the Indian innings. Clean it. What a wonderful striker of the ball Naman Oja is. Look at that. It's a boundary. One bounce just almost went for the maximum. What a shot that is. Was expecting that, and he has hit that hook shot between long on and deep mid wicket. Another one. Adil Ahmed is not learning. Wonder what he's trying to do. Clean hit.
19 of 9. Here we go. Great placement of the shot there. Will it go all the way? Boundary, 4 run there. Great start from Abhishek. What a yorker there from Muhammad Irfan. Great appeal there. You can see the batsman is on his knees there. Naman Oja in all sorts of trouble there from Irfan. There comes in that experience, the change in variation. There goes the yorker. Right into the block hole. Excellent piece of bowling there from Pakistan. Great comeback. There goes the batsman on the ground there. Naman Oja had no answer to that ball.
Well, that's his forte. 7'2", and the arm goes up, and then he takes the jump. So imagine how. Oh, there you go. This is what was expected from Mohammad Irfan, and that edge, wicketkeeper making no mistakes. First wicket down, big wicket down for India, and now the match is on. Naman Oja departs. India loses the first wicket at 29.
Naman Oja gone having scored only 4 runs off 4 balls. This is a big wicket for Pakistan. Just like that, they have the breakthrough. Will it change the dynamics of this game? We'll wait and see. There goes the ball. Great length from Irfan. It was swinging outside. Easy picking for the keeper. You see the variation from Irfan. There is that experience that he's got. Just setting the batsman up. The previous ball, he bowled a yorker. Then this ball, he just bowls a good length and it's swinging outside. That's the experience we were talking about. Irfan is a wicket.
Came back strongly in the game. They've kept things under control. Only a couple of wickets here will make it more interesting because this is not an easy pitch to bat on.
What a bouncer there from Irfan Mohammad. It's just that variation that Irfan Mohammad has. You can't really predict him. He's like a magician. He's got a lot of tricks up his arm.
But 3 overs gone. India, oh, that's struggling. Look at the short ball. Intended, satisfied look on Mohammad Irfan's face. Boundary. So he couldn't finish off his over well, managing to give 6 runs in over. Asad Pathan. What a ball, what a shot. It's a 6. My God. You know, that's what they say, that when you swing hard. Because this was a miss hit, but in cricket, you are the winner if you get runs. On behind the bowler's head. Oh, there's another wicket gone. Mohammad Irfan is rewarded. 2 in similar fashion. Another batsman departs, caught behind.
बट ये इस गेंद पे थोड़ा सा अपनी उंगलियां फेरी थी और जिसको समझ नहीं पाए और नतीजा जो है कीपर के पास एक आसान सा कैच जिसकी वजह से अभिषेक लोटा आउट होते हुए और यहाँ पे दूसरा झटका लगता हुआ इंडियन वेल्स को.
This one was a slower one from Irfan. The shot was completed, then the ball came and just managed to nick the outside edge of the bat. No mistakes done by the wicketkeeper and delight on the faces. Pakistan back in the game.
Star player of Indian
Ali Rahat going away 25 runs. That's opened the face, and the ball's gone to deep third for a boundary, much to the elation of the Indian supporters here. On. Up in the air. Now where is this headed? Towards the fielder, away from him.
Away from the fielder, good stop.
Yeah, well, you've got to put in the effort. Whoa, that's going to be close. Big appeal. Oh, my goodness, yes. Oh, it's actually gone and broken the stumps. I thought it was deflecting off the pads. We'll have to look and see. They're a little confused. Wasim Anwar. Let's have a look at the replay. Have a closer look. Oh, no, it just missed the pads. I thought it just got a bit of pad right on the off stump. Great bowling. He put up the pressure and eked out the wicket. Yes and no. What a pickup on his follow through, and he reckons he's out. And he is. It's been confirmed. What a brilliant piece of fielding, and that's another wicket down for India. Pakistan in control.
First time Pakistan Panthers is making a debut, and you can see them playing on the pitch. But off the pitch, all the fans are playing and cheering. How's the Josh? Let's have the cheer. Let's have the cheer. 1, 2, 3, start.
Sharul really taking the bowling apart. Rana, who's bowled so very well. Here's another big one. How far is that going? Another bounce. One more boundary. The runs are really flowing here.
It go out for 4.
Well, the last one was a boundary. They're really opening up. Wow. Every ball he's been facing, he has really given it the charge. And it's gone for another maximum. The Indian flags are flying now. They know suddenly that the pressure is on the Pakistanis.
Went all the way up into the crowd. There we see a fan attempting to get the catch. That was too big even for the fans. Ibra being introduced into the attack. What can he do for Pakistan? So far, Rishi Dhawan on 28, currently 29 off 17 balls. Saru, the hard-hitting Saru, is on 18 off 6 balls. This partnership looks deadly. What do you reckon?
Yeah, of course, if they can go at the rate they're going at the moment, it'll be quite difficult for the Pakistani team, the Panthers, to contain them. But they'll also be looking at the positive side. When Ibrar Atta bowls that, because they've decided to go big, there will be opportunities, there will be chances of edges, there will be chances of mishits that could go in the air. They can take a catch. A dot ball for a change.
Good control there from Ibra. 2 balls so far. 3 balls. He went for a 6 off the first ball, but he's come back stronger. Let's see.
Down the leg side. They're asking for a wide. Oh, and he asks someone and then he gives the wide. Goodness.
India, the happier side of the 2 off the last ball. That was certainly a wide. Ibra again. Sensible play from Saru. They just punching the ball down the ground and they take a quick single. You can see there the Indian teammates applauding the efforts of Saru and Rishi Dhawan on the wicket.
But suddenly the current run rate has gone over the 10 mark. It's now 10.03 and required run rate has been brought down to 6.87. Very gettable. Desperately in search of a wicket, the Pakistan Panthers.
Good stuff there from the two experienced batsmen on the wicket. Rishi Dhawan, they just playing the ball down there to mid-wicket for a quick single. They're rotating the strike.
CSC.
This is good for India. Ibra Atta has got some work to do here.
Oh, Wilds swing and misses it and goes for byes. Should be signaled. Yeah, 4 runs nevertheless. And they finish on a high. They're happy, the Indian supporters. 102 for 4 after 10 overs.
BLD 8380 CSC 9280. Please check on your vehicles.
That's the end of the 10th over, and India stands at 105 for the loss of 3 wickets, for the loss of 4 wickets, and we have a century for India. And Yasir Shah is on the Pakistan side, bowling for the Pakistan.
Yasir Shah brought into the attack for Pakistan. Rishi Dhawan and Saru certainly looks it. Rishi Dhawan on 30 off 18. Cut shot right into the gap. Excellent shot there. Will it go all the way? 4 runs, 4 runs, just like that. India sailing smoothly. The score is on 106 after 10.1 overs. India well above the current or the required run rate of 6. There goes the cut shot. Excellent technique there from Rishi Dhawan. Beautiful cut. That angle again shows us how beautifully that ball was placed into the gap. Fielders nowhere near it. Dot ball from Yasir Shah, good bowling. It was right in the block hole. You can see Rishi Dhawan playing sensible. He knew that was a danger ball. He couldn't go for it. India on 106 for 4 after 10.2. Another, a misfield there from Pakistan. Will India push for 1 or 2? Good recovery there from the fielder. Quick single taken off that one. Just placed the ball. Fielder could have certainly done better there. The hard-hitting Saru is on strike now to face Yasir Shah. It's a good ball. Attempted single. Good running in between the wickets there. You've seen Saru and Rishi Dhawan. They seem to have that bond. They're creating a good partnership here. They keep rotating the strike. They're having a good time in the middle, certainly. Yasir Shah for Pakistan. Another good ball. It was straight onto the stumps, but defensive play from Rishi Dhawan there to ensure that it's just a dead ball, a dot ball, and nothing less. Don't forget, we're coming to you live from Lusaka, Zambia for the 2nd edition of the Asian Legends. The fans have turned out to watch this game. India, Pakistan. It's Rishi Dhawan and Saru chasing 168. Rishi on 35 of 22. Rishi Dhawan tries to go big. It's up in there. Oh, great attempt from the fielder there. It will go all the way. Excellent effort, I must say. You can see the fans there applauding the effort. Rishi Dhawan won't mind.